In today's video, I'll show you how to enable SSL certificate validation in Zapier. This setting is important because it allows Zapier to verify secure HTTPS connections and check that the SSL certificates used by connected services are valid. If SSL certificate checks are disabled, your account may accept connections without properly validating the certificate, which can create security and troubleshooting issues. The good news is that enabling this option only takes a few moments and the setting saves automatically. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Zapier tutorials and automation tips. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Zapier website. Once the page loads, sign in using the account credentials associated with your Zapier account. After signing in, you should arrive at your Zapier dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your zaps, connections, and account settings. To open the account settings, look toward the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu should appear with several account options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open the settings area for your Zapier account. Inside Settings, look through the available sections and find Security and Data. Click Security and Data to open the security-related options. This section contains settings that control how Zapier handles account security, data, and secure connections. Now, scroll down through the page until you find a setting called SSL Certificate Checks. This option controls whether Zapier validates SSL certificates when it connects to services over HTTPS. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, helps verify that a secure connection is using a trusted and valid certificate. When you find the setting, review its current status. Look specifically for the option labeled Disable SSL Certificate Checks. If this option is turned on, SSL certificate validation is currently disabled. That means Zapier is not checking certificates in the normal way when making secure connections. To enable SSL certificate of validation, turn off the Disable SSL Certificate Checks option. In other words, make sure the switch is disabled. Once you turn off this option, Zapier will be able to validate SSL certificates and verify secure HTTPS connections when communicating with connected apps and services. There is no separate save button required for this change. Zapier saves the setting automatically after you switch it off. Give the page a moment to process the change and then confirm that Disable SSL Certificate Checks remains turned off. If the option is off, SSL certificate validation is enabled. Before finishing, it's a good idea to test the affected zap or connection. You can return to your Zapier dashboard, open the relevant zap, and run a test if appropriate. This can help confirm that the secure connection works correctly with SSL validation enabled. If you encounter an error, review the connected app's certificate, domain, and HTTPS configuration because an invalid, expired, self-signed, or improperly configured certificate may prevent the connection from working. Also remember that SSL certificate validation should generally remain enabled for security. Only change this setting if you understand why it is being changed and have a specific troubleshooting reason. Keeping certificate checks active helps Zapier verify that it is connecting to the intended secure service. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SSL certificate validation in Zapier by opening Settings, going to Security and Data, finding SSL certificate checks, and turning off Disable SSL certificate checks. The change saves automatically, so no additional confirmation is needed. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Zapier tutorial.